We continue from the previous video where I had spoken about finding the nature of the roots or finding the discriminant. If you get the value of the discriminant as greater than 0, you get two distinct real roots. If it is equal to 0, you get two equal real roots. And if it is less than 0, you get no roots at all. In this question, which is applicable for all forms of exams, HSLC or CBSE or ICSE, you can apply this process. Now here it says find the discriminant of the equation x squared minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. If roots exist, that means if you have a discriminant greater than 0 or equal to 0, find those roots, find them. So the first thing that you need to do in your solution is write in the quadratic equation. Mind you, I'm just writing QE for time purposes. In the exam, please do write the full form. In the quadratic equation, x squared minus 5x minus 14 is equal to 0. Then think of the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you declare a is equal to, just put a comma first, b is equal to, put a comma, c is equal to. And then you look at a, which is the coefficient of x squared, you write 1. B, which is the coefficient of x, and you have minus 5, so you write minus 5. And the constant c is minus 14. Then you bring out the discriminant and you write here discriminant. It will be understood by the evaluator. Discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to, your b is minus 5, so minus 5 whole thing square minus 4 into a, which is 1, into c, which is minus 14. Then you do your mathematical calculation here. Minus into minus is plus, so this would be 25. Minus into minus is plus again, that will give you 56. And this is equal to 81. 81 is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation will have two distinct real roots. That means you'll get two different roots. And to find them, use the quadratic formula, because they're not asking you to find it in either way. So use the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, we have x is equal to, draw your line, write minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. Very important formula. You should learn it by heart. If you forget this formula, then you cannot progress further. You should remember this formula. And then here you put the numbers. X is equal to, draw your line, minus b is the coefficient of x, and the value is minus 5. So you put minus, the first minus belongs to the formula, and the minus in bracket belongs to the value of the coefficient, so it will be minus of minus 5, plus minus, and you put b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So upon 2a, I'm sorry, you're not supposed to put a there, you put 2 into 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. Now here, x is equal to, minus into minus, you have your 5, plus minus you have to keep, b squared minus 4ac, I'm so sorry again, there is supposed to be 81, we already got that, 81, so the square root of 81 will be 9 upon 2. then here you find the roots. Either x is equal to 5 plus 9, we take the plus first, upon 2, which is equal to 14 upon 2, which is equal to 7, or x is equal to 5 minus 9 upon 2, which is equal to minus 4 upon 2, which is equal to minus 2, and declare your answer as x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 2, and you have completed your equation. We will continue in the next video on finding the roots of the equation. If you get the discriminant as equal to 0, how to get two equal roots.